Welcome to my channel. Let's see you have got. Today there are going to be some letters hidden in the video. So watch till end, and comment down. Correct answer will get shout out in the next video. 1. The Jawaharlal Nehru Port is located in A. Kolkata, B. Cochin, C. Mumbai, D. Paradip. Answer Mumbai. 2. In which Indian state is Nadala Pass situated? A. Manipur, B. Kerala, C. Sikkim, D. Assam. Answer Sikkim. 3. India's first passenger train from Bori Bunder to Thane was run on which gauge? A. Narrow gauge, B. Meter gauge, C. Standard gauge, D. Broad gauge. Answer broad gauge. 4. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? A. Alps, B. Mount Kilimanjaro, C. K2D Mount Everest. Answer Mount Everest. 5. Which is the smallest continent in the world? A. Europe, B. Australia, C. Asia, D. Africa. Answer Australia. 6. First census in India was conducted in the year A. 1910, B. 1887, C. 1872, D. 1927. Answer 1872. 7. In which state Garo Khasi and Jaintia tribes are located? A. Assam, B. Meghalaya, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. None of these. Answer none of this. 8. Karnaprayag is the confluence of A. Ganga and Alaknanda, B. Alaknanda and Pinder, C. Bhagirathi and Alaknanda, D. Bhagirathi and Pinder Boli. Answer Alaknanda and Pinder. 9. Of the following is found in highest quantity in Digboy mines? A. Copper, B. Petroleum, C. Natural gas, D. Coal. Answer petroleum. 10. The name of the coast of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh is A. Malabar, B. Coromandel, C. Konkan, D. Northern Sarkar. Answer Coromandel. 11. With which of the following countries India has no boundary? A. Myanmar, B. Bhutan, C. Nepal, D. Mongolia. Answer Mongolia. 12. Which is the highest waterfall in the world? A. Niagara Falls, B. Victoria Falls, C. Yosemite Falls, D. Angel Falls. Answer Angel Falls. Did you get the word? Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest video. Thank you for watching.